Hi everyone, my name is Iwanchuk. I'm the business librarian here at KPU. In this video, we're going to take a look at the IBISWorld research database. IBISWorld is a specialized business research database that features industry reports that are really great for doing market research. So in this video, we'll learn about how to search for the industry reports. We'll learn a little bit about NAICS codes, and we'll point out some of the unique features of the industry reports. So to navigate to IBISWorld, once again, we're starting from the home page of the library. And what we'll do is click on the Research Databases tab. And then we'll go under the red magnifying glass to the Research Databases A to Z link, and we'll click that. And this takes us to a list of all of the research databases you have access to here at KPU. And we'll go under All Subjects, and we'll pull down the Business option. And now we're in the section that lists all of the business databases you have access to. And under this Best Bet section, we can just navigate down and find IBISWorld. And we'll click on the IBISWorld link. And because we're off campus, you'll be asked to type in your username and password. And it'll just take a little bit to authenticate. Okay, so now we're at the IBISWorld homepage, and to find information on the industry, you can always search by industry, keyword, or company. But what I usually recommend is on the top under the Industry Research menu, you'll find this link to Canada Industry Reports. So if we just click on this report, it takes us to all the Canadian reports. And if you notice, they are all organized by industry sector, which makes it really handy. And the other thing is that you'll notice that all the reports have a numerical code attached to them. And this is called a NAICS code. And NAICS stands for the North American Industry Classification System. And this system was developed jointly by the US, Canada, and Mexico to organize and track industries and the companies that operate within these industries. So you'll notice that each of these reports has a specific numerical code. So please familiarize yourselves with these NAICS codes because they're an excellent tool for finding information about your particular industry. Many research databases are searchable by NAICS codes, or you can search Google using NAICS codes. It just gives you another tool for finding information about your industry. So we're just going to take a look at one of these reports. So I'm just going to scroll down, notice all the different sectors that we have. I'm just going to go down here to the Accommodation and Food Services in Canada section. And I'm interested in looking at a report about fast food restaurants. So I'll click on the Fast Food Restaurants report. And here we are at Fast Food Restaurants in Canada. And you'll notice that the IBISWorld reports all sort of share a similar look and feel. When I open the report, it tells me when the report was last updated. One of the big strengths of IBISWorld, very current information. I can also go over here and download a PDF version of my report, which is very handy. That way I don't have to be online all the time. Use the tabs on the left-hand side of the page to get more information and to drill down into specific topics. So I always suggest students work their way through these tabs. A lot of really great information. We'll just take a look at one here on key statistics. So it shows you key statistics for fast food industries in Canada, and they have projections all the way to 2025. One other area that I just want to point out here is if we go to the US section here, we have these US specialized industry reports. So if you're looking at a very specialized industry, something like organic crop farming or animal biotechnology, please check out this page as well. These are, of course, US reports, but any data you find here, you can apply to your Canadian situation. In business, we always use the data that we have access to and then apply it to our current situation and research. So just another tip to remember. So that's essentially an introduction to IBISWorld. stay tuned for more business information literacy videos, and you can contact me with any questions about doing business research or selecting databases or any library-related questions. Thanks.